for 5 days, let me know.
I do Stairmaster twice a week.
Hi Angel family, another trip, another packing video, I guess.
So we're gonna pull out the BEIS luggage set.
Right there in the back, homegirl's ready to roll, to be honest with you.
I just need to put the stuff in there. I already have everything situated.
So I'm gonna go to Chicago for about 5-ish days on the East Coast. It's gonna be my first time ever. I'm so excited. I am going to be packing 2 days in advance. Without further ado, let's get at it. Isn't she gorgeous? I've only used her once. I really honestly can't wait to use her again. She was so easy to use. I hauled this around all of New York City.
Unfortunately, it did get stained a little bit, obviously because of the color that I got, but that's a sacrifice you're willing to make.
Let's get started with the backpack first, just because that's the easiest thing possible to kind of just put in here.
I don't actually have a lot to carry because this time I'm bringing my whole camera set.
The backpack is all kind of empty, except I do just have, like, honestly, a hair clip and my tampons, my panty liners. Y'all don't want to probably see that, you know what I mean? But it's clean. Do have like my hand sanitizer spray just in case, because we are traveling, and these literally I get them Sephora, and oh, but I should probably take this off because what am I doing with these on? I squeeze my freaking head.
Wow. I was editing and now I'm filming for y'all before I leave Chicago soon, the next 2 days. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna show you guys what's on my desk.
So I have my camera tripod, a little tiny one, so I can just set it up whenever I'm vlogging. I got deodorant, I got my makeup sponges and my lips, and then also all the brushes and, like, you know. But let's just put the brushes in. This is actually a little bit heavy, but I kind of just like to put it to the side. You'll be surprised, a lot actually fits in here. When I say, okay, that luxury backpacks are not it, it is absolutely not it, okay? It's just not worth it. It's very uncomfortable. This is very, very comfortable for my back. Heck, you can even put it in the back like this and hold it around. You don't gotta put it in your back unless you, like, really, really have to. I just put all of my makeup products and my feminine products, just like bathroom products and stuff like that, in here, and look at how much room I still have. This thing expands to the max too, and that's what I really, really like about BEIS, the fact that you can actually expand the whole thing. All I need to put in here is the fact that I have my skincare, which is in the bathroom.
Skincare, makeup, there's a tiny bit of makeup products on the bottom. I have my skincare gummies in there, my feminine products. I really, really like having to pack face masks, just because I know I get really, really dry, like, because of the flight and because I'm in another, like, whole nother, you know, state for vacation anyways. So I do need to bring my laptop since I'm a content creator. That is my job. So just in case anything happens or I want to do last minute editing and whatnot, all I gotta do is just, like, put it in the back right here, and it's so freaking easy, to be honest with you. I am literally in love. In terms of chargers and whatnot, I still need to use it, so I usually do a 1-round sweep. I have a whole list on Notion where I actually list out everything that I need to pack just in case, like, before I leave. I know some planes and hotel rooms have chargers where, like, you need something like this. I forgot what the whole USB thingy is. Okay, so I want to show you guys the bottom right here. I packed just my hand lotion. I get really, really dry. My nausea wristbands, which I am linking in my Amazon storefront, because when I had the norovirus, literally for 3-4 days, guys, I was dying. I felt nauseous. I threw up. It was bad. And then also Tums, just in case. I literally need that just in case anything happens. I have a weak stomach and an immune system. Okay, so pretty much done in terms of, like, packing for just the backpack in general. So let's go and pack the clothes and the outfits. That's gonna be so fun. I need 3 shoes, okay? One for the boots for dinner and to go out, and I need a casual walking one, and then also a casual, comfortable walking one that's comfy. These 3 are the best: Alexander, Uggs, and then also these Revolt shoes that I got. In terms of the outfits, guys, oh my gosh, I don't know how many outfits I even packed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. And I'm kind of recycling and kind of, like, putting different tops with, like, different bottoms. That was not it. Anyone like my little corgi soju bottle, like, keychain? Look at that. I got this at some kind of, like, flea market in Seattle. Thing smells like Fruit Loops in here, and it smells so good. So this is what it looks like. Basically, it has a bunch of slots
1, 2, and then like a full main one here. Then I kind of have this thing right here.
I forgot to show you. I think I'm taking 2 jackets. I'm gonna be packing, obviously, the thinnest jacket just because you have to wear the thickest clothes when you're on the airplane.
Just have a couple things left, and surprisingly, I thought that I was gonna maybe overpack this time, but it looks like I'm not. I'm so proud of myself, you guys.
That was my mini workout today. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way you know I'm always posting the entire week. We'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Wish me luck in Chicago. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out.